We're going from these. So this is one I've already done.
Oh, you put an extension.
Season. I swear, after your appointment was made, there were like 5 people a day.
Really?
A day.
For
calling
these?
about yes.
Really? Really?
A day.
For
calling
these?
about yes.
Really?
Just after the appointment's made. I'm telling you.
All right. See you later.
Keep an eye on YouTube. Keep.
You're next. You're next.
I heard that. Right? You got a guinea pig at home?
Don't give him no ideas. Please don't.
Oh boy.
Please don't give him no ideas.
Really?
Sorry, because he already got the idea now.
He looks pretty interested.
Yeah.
I'm dead serious. You're like, babe, you see remember what Jasmine was doing that one day? Can you do that tomorrow?
That's exactly what's gonna happen.
Exactly.
His
Yeah.
eyes,
Yeah.
look like,
Those eyes are
what are
like,
you all doing?
wait a minute. What's that? What are those? Call back in about 2 to 3 months to get the ones that they had done fixed. Because they paid like $200 and the person thought they knew what they were doing and they start falling out. And that's typically how it goes out here. In California, yes, there would be that many people scheduling.
Right. In California.
Yeah, we can zoom in on that technique though. Look at that.
Afro puff hair, no longer Afro puff hair. Ta-da! I've done a lot of lock extensions. I didn't even realize it till I started going, like permanent ones too. Started going through my pictures and was like, wow. I've done a lot. And each one of the clients is so nice because I'm able to go, oh, that person, oh yeah, that was fun.